As being from horticulture background and many demands from agri and horti students especially study abroad in agriculture or horticulture sciences. And what are the courses, what are the universities, which country is best to study agriculture science? So friends, all this question is going to be included in this video. And friends, remember, I am not 100% right. Okay, whatever I am going to share this information is all based on my personal research and information and other things. I have gathered many information from my friends who are studying in different part of the country. So friends, now let's start the video. So my dear future agriculturist and horticulturist, as you have decided to study abroad, then the first thing you have to do is the country selection. Which country is best to study abroad, especially in agriculture? Okay, see friends, in this I have two categories. The first one is English speaking country and second one is non-English speaking country. So in this I will give first priority I will give the top priority to USA and Australia. So these are the most top countries especially to study agriculture, because many of my friends, they are studying in US and also in Australia, so they are doing great and they getting jobs. So I will suggest you to always give first preference to this country, USA and Australia, and later you can give to Canada and other like New Zealand and some other countries. Whatever the English speaking countries are there, you can prefer, no doubt at all. And second thing is the non-English speaking country. So non-English speaking country, especially the European countries and other countries, it may be either Singapore or something. So non-English speaking country doesn't mean that the education will be in what we call in their native language. No, education will be in English, but in order to survive there, in order to find job there, the native language is mandatory. So I will always suggest to give second priority to the non-English. Why? So here the question is why to give second priority for European country, as I am living in Europe, even though I am giving second priority. See friends, especially for agri and horti graduates, so whenever they will graduate, they will find the job, especially in the field of like more communication work. Like you have to work in the farm, you have to work with the farmer, you have to like do more things, especially which have like more communication things. So if you are going for English speaking country, then there is no any language barrier. But if you are coming to non-English speaking country, especially in Europe, then the chances of getting job without native language is very difficult. I am just saying, because I have interacted with many students, and to whomever I have asked, no one has given 100% assurance that they will get job after their graduation. So that's the main drawback, especially in Europe. But in 70 to 80% of the cases are like this. If you know the basic language, then only you will get the job. Otherwise, there are 20% cases you will get job without native language. So please give first priority. And as you know that especially if you are choosing English speaking country, then you have to pay. Like especially if you choose in Europe, Italy is like free education. So if you want only education, then you can choose Italy for education, and you can gain the skills and all. And after that, it depends on your luck, it depends on your hard work, and depends on your how much skills you have gained. So based on this, you will get the job. And also in Europe, the Netherlands is number one. Netherlands, Sweden are both countries are number one, especially for agriculture. And after that, Italy, because in Netherlands there is Wageningen University. It is the number one agriculture university in the world. So these are the countries, agriculture and horticulture sciences. Okay. And the second thing is that if you are going for like English speaking country, then you have to pay a lot. Minimum 25 to 30 to 40 lakhs you have to spend in the beginning. It's truth. If you are choosing like English speaking country, you have to spend that much of amount. But friends, remember, after spending that amount, immediately within 1 to 2 years after your graduation, you will recover that money. Definitely you will recover that money, because I'm saying, because I just experiencing and talking with my friends who were doing jobs and who were doing or whoever studying in Australia, US, UK and all. Just I am sharing. Okay, so if you can afford, then please select English speaking country. Country selection, the second important thing is the course selection. So friends, I will suggest you, do not listen others. For example, I like landscaping, so I like garden designing and all. So I always suggest you to do landscaping, gardening, because I have more knowledge on this topic, because I do research on this, what are the job opportunities, everything I have faced it. So the main thing in the course selection is just try to select the course which you like from inside, or on which course you have more knowledge or have good skills. Because especially when you are going to study agriculture or horticulture science, especially at international level, then the main thing is a skill. Try to also think for the future, like how this course affect in the future, how will be the job opportunities in future. Try to do research, try to do Google. For example, nowadays like gardening, landscaping, and like agribusiness management and farm and some other like technologies, all these are like modern. In future they have lots of demand. Hydroponics and nutrition and all, they have great demand. So try to do research and search according to this. My dear future agriculture, another critical decision is the university selection. Which university is best? Okay, so here I will give you some tips. So based on these tips, you can simply select the best university. Okay, so the first one is that try to find the QS world ranking of that universities. Whatever the universities you are looking, just find that QS world ranking university. Okay, so for example, in India we have IARI. So if you are studying your bachelor or master in IARI, everyone see at great level, oh, he is studying in IARI, because many of my friends are in IARI. So we will look at them like, oh, he is studying in IARI. So really it's great. So if you see the IARI QS world ranking, it is approximately 1200 something in the world. If you are coming at international level, then try to search the universities which is below 500 QS rank university. They are the best. Okay, and the second thing is that try to search the subject ranking of that university. For example, many people have like interest in plant science. For example, I am interested in gardening and landscaping, so I simply search the landscaping ranking of my university. It is in the architecture. It is because landscaping is almost like architecture, so I simply search the architecture ranking of my university. So my university ranked top 10 universities in the world in the field of architecture, and overall university ranking is the 130th rank. So based on this, you can simply select the university and courses. Okay, but you have to be very careful. If you are thinking to plan study abroad, then you have to start preparation in the final year, not in the final third year. You have to start your preparation during the third year of your bachelor, because it needs lots of documents. So because it takes time. For example, in some university they need for the IELTS, and some other universities they need other things. So it takes time. So minimum you have to start from the third year, at least in the final year, not after completing your graduation. If you are starting after completion of graduation, then you have to wait 1 year. We have to waste 1 year. So please try to start early and try to get admissions immediately after graduation, so here you will not waste your time. Okay, so these are the things especially related to agriculture and horticulture sciences in abroad. So I think I have cleared all those things. And friends, if you want all these informations, then I can suggest you one website, that is masterportal.com. So, and also you can search bachelorportal.com. If you go in that website, you can clearly mention like your name, you are from this background, you want to search in different courses. They will filter everything, like which university is providing which course, and there will be different sections like in agriculture sciences and architecture, engineering, all they will like filter. And also you will find everything that website which I have told you, that masterportal.com, you will find everything like what are the requirement, what is the fees, when the admissions will open, everything you will find in that website masterportal.com. So I think I have covered all the things which are mostly need for the study of abroad, especially for agri and horti students. So friends, these are the things which I wanted to share with you all. I hope this video will be helpful for the students. So definitely I will try to make and do interview with many international students who are doing agriculture and horticulture, so that you will get some informations and all. So I think that's it. So now let's see in other video. Bye bye.